Hey guys, so today I'm playing Animal Jam. So I am at a spring festival. This is awesome. You guys don't know what AJ is. I mean Animal Jam. Let's say that. That's what we have to grab. There's many one. Oh, I found one. Right here. I found a golden one. I think that's golden. No. 1 out of 15. Toy, I already found an egg. Oh, found another one. Uh-oh.
So they can't see me.
Okay, guys. What? No, I'm short.
You're very tall.
No.
I'm short.
I already found 4 out of 15. Oh, found one.
You can't talk to me. You gotta talk to your people.
Well, I'm sorry if I'm not talking to them because you're interrupting.
Oh, sorry. I said don't talk to me.
But you're interrupting. This is so awkward. Wait, is that a maze? Oh, I found a treasure chest.
Go to it and get it.
Wait. Gotta grab the eggs. Ooh. See what I got? Yes. That was awesome. Oh, what is that? Oh, I found an egg. Oh, I found an egg. Egg. Guys, I keep finding eggs wherever I go. They're like in the easiest spots, but the last one is gonna be in the easiest spot. Oh, I found another egg. Okay. Oh, I found another egg. I found a pink one over there and then a purple one right here. There's lots of people. Okay, guys. Oh, I found one. Ah, why did it go over here?
Oh, it's right here.
Not over here. What am I thinking? It's really hard. Play with a mouse. I found that one. I was like, where is this one? I don't know where it was. But then I found it. I have 11 out of 15, guys. So let's go searching. Okay. Wait. This is nice. Oh, that's Bronto. What? Why do these things help? Oh, I found it.
They say help go to them because that means there's more. They need help for them more than one person, and then you can get a special prize.
Nah, I just found a bunch.
Go buy them. Help them.
Well, someone's already over there.
There could be more than one. It's probably a 4-person one. But they're still screaming help.
They just said, please, help, please.
Yeah.
I got it already.
Oh, sorry,
So talk to me. Oh, see, someone's over there already.
You still go.
I have 14. I need one more.
That's good job, you know.
Yeah, I don't think you mean it.
You're rude.
I really don't think you mean it. Oh, I thought that one was.
Go this way. Obviously.
Oh, found an egg. Found the last egg.
It's not the last egg. You're probably gonna have to do like 20 more.
No, but I was done already. So I'm mostly done. Trying to get over here. Over here. Guys, no, wait, I'm over here. Is this? Yeah, I'm gonna find my last egg. That I need to find. Wait, was it in here?
Yeah, let me see something. Can I do something once?
No.
Yes.
No, Tori.
Come on, please.
No. I'm doing something. Oh no, I'm trapped. I can't do that way.
Go all the way around. Go this way, like keep going up. And then go down.
Is it?
Go down.
Oh, someone's giving me help, but I need my last egg.
So you're outside of it, I'm pretty sure. Go down.
Well, this way?
Yeah, that, right.
Oh, found it.
Boom! Told you. Who is off?
I did it myself.
Sure you did.
If anybody asks, I did it myself.
I want to see what prize you got. Mushrooms.
Oh,
You got some mushrooms?
I guess I'm sure. Now I gotta find 33, 35. Like, what the heck?
Go near that. It might grow an egg. Oh, go to like a place that has water.
Plant. It has 100. Well, I found one. So, 16 out of 35. Oh, they're over here. I found the water. Wait.
You did?
Yeah, it's over here. It even says it's over here. Just had a water thing up there. That's the water thing.
Yeah, then you have to get the water, and then you have to go to it, and then like you can water it. But you can find more eggs over there, I'm pretty sure.
I know. I'm not even looking for the eggs. See, look, the water.
That's somebody else's water.
Ugh. Oh, found it. Yes.
Try and grab other people's water.
I didn't know. I gotta go find that. Damn. No,
Oh,
wrong
I
one.
got water on my phone.
Yes, sir.
Oh, got a lot of water on my phone.
Oh my gosh, hurry. Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta go this way. I remember my way.
Got a lot of water on my phone. I
Gotta
feel like
follow.
all my phone's iPad are waterproof.
This is my water.
They never break.
Wait, what'd you say?
I feel like all the phones I've ever had are waterproof. Every time I spill water on them, they never break.
That's because you wipe them right away.
I know. I'm awesome like that.
Oh wait, I know.
I need a.
It's not over here. I know where it is. Oh, it's over here. I see it. Yes, yes, I did it, Tori. Yes.
Click your treasure. Click it. Whoa, a butterfly. Oh, I have that.
Well,
But I traded for it, so good job. I didn't really get it myself.
I'm mostly gonna trade it, so.
But you can put that in your room.
Yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere else because I don't like this way. I mean, I already got,
Go decorate your den.
yeah. I already got lots of stuff. I'm gonna trade the mushrooms because I don't like the mushrooms.
Just look at how they look. I want to see how they look.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna go get the mushrooms. Okay, so the mushrooms are right here. Oh, that's what they would look
And
like.
then
I'm trading.
Mickey Featherstone set about calling his own again, and he was soon ready to take on Jimmy Coonan to try and take control of Hell's Kitchen. When Coonan was released from prison at the end of 1984,
take this down. It's not.
he set
It's
about
not.
regaining control
It's not
of
winter
Hell's
anymore.
Kitchen.
Well, technically, this weather says different, but you know.
The Italians convinced Coonan that Featherstone
I'm gonna trade the mushrooms and that thing that you done.
The
Yeah, I'm gonna put those.
and put the mushrooms.
Yeah. That. Yeah. And a mushroom.
You could tell people like, hey, please trade me plushies for stuff on trade.
What, plushies? What?
Yeah, they're not really worth much.
Stick forever. Wait, what? Why'd you send me here?
Because
They still got the nerd glasses, or they're still rare?
oh yeah, I have 2 nerd glasses. Jessica, can you do that? Oh no, my artificial glacier water.
Oh, are you even eating your ramen?
Yeah.
I want one of those nerd glasses. Store my dad. Oh, I'm going. I'm looking at the store. I need to buy some things. Yo. Oh, ooh. Popcorn has salt. What? You don't even know if you're gonna trade it yet. Ooh, birthday cake. I'm not 6.
It's okay, never mind. I can give you a birthday cake if you want. It's even bigger and it has number 7 on it.
I'm 8, not 7.
But still, it's
And not
for when
6.
Animal Jam was. It was 7 years, and it was this year. I think no, it was last year, and that meant that Animal Jam has been out for 7 years, and I collected it. What do you
And
want?
chair.
You go somewhere, and you hop on it and say, "Can I please have this?"
Okay.
And then you put it on trade, and then you ask if you give
Okay, I want this.
the kangaroo.
Yeah, I'll trade it for you.
I already have the kangaroo.
Yeah, but I'll let you have it.
Okay, fine. Say I want this. I know you have. I know you know how to type, but
Yeah, I do not know how to type fast. I want this. I want this. I want this. I want this. See if they would give it. Towel is on. Ice table thing. This window, please. You were. I want this. That's what everybody said. I already said I want it.
you go here and you keep checking his trade list, and if it's on your.
The Westies were the last big Irish gangsters in New York. The Irish mob
But he still has to update it.
of its life. But it wasn't dead yet.
Let's see if he said. Tori, I thought you said you were gonna leave me alone.
I'm helping you.
You're not helping me. This earbud fell out. Well, I'm just gonna ignore you by putting my headphones on. No.
I don't see your headphones. I see your earbuds, but I don't see your headphones.
What?
See, I don't see your headphones. I see your earbuds, but not your headphones.
They're earphones. They're earphones. That's real. I want that.
No, you somewhere you already picked it.
1978, the biggest robbery in U.S. history took place. The Lufthansa heist. It was the perfect robbery, and the master
Everybody's over there.
Irish gangster, Jimmy.
That's because they want stuff that are over there.
Sorry.
He's not putting it on trade. Wait till he says like.
I'm looking for something else.
Okay.
How do I get popcorn? Oh, they're over there. I'm leaving. No one cares.
For over 30 years, Jimmy Burke was one of the most feared and respected criminals in New York City.
Sorry, I'm going to a
He was a
party.
legend on the streets, and the basis for Robert De Niro's character in the film Goodfellas.
Woohoo.
It was a film that showed the
Never mind.
relationship between
Oh,
Burke
okay.
and the gangster Henry Hill.
It's for sale.